All right, mate. Yeah, let's look here. You tend to agree with Alan that the BTC pair looks primed on Doge. This is the Doge BTC chart right here. Nice pump. Well, nice running out pattern. It is interesting when these patterns do form. I do like to see the white 100 move up and the price kind of hold on that. Something like this, and then it comes back up. Now I don't know if it'll take that long or whatever, but I do like to see it tested and then round back up or something. So is that primed? Is the low in? Well, time will tell, obviously, but the pattern itself, it does have potential. It doesn't mean that that it's primed to go higher. This is a monthly blueprint for success, in the fact that this price should hold here somewhere and go back up. Right, you can see the white 100 moving average here. You can see the big breakout move there. So in theory, at some point, this is going to go back up. But on a monthly chart, you can see that the way I drew that there is 2024. I'm not saying it's definitely going to take that long, but these rounding out patterns can take time, is all I'm saying. As far as Doge USD, this is a bearish monthly candle at this point. You do normally expect to see lower prices when you get this. The only, like, you can see the last time we got one of these candles was right here, and the next month was actually a hard flush lower. It probably really depends on the stock market here. Does this flush lower similar to last time? It is a bearish setup at this point. Sometimes they flush lower. What you would look for a reversal would be a bullish monthly stop hunt on this. A normal bullish monthly stop hunt, a bit of a small move down, pop up, flip green again, and then try and reverse that move. At this point, if we go to a 3-month chart, you can see that the 3-month has also flipped red here. This, to me, down here, I don't like to see these as bottoming candles. Can they be a bottoming candle? Sometimes, very rare. But they're not a normal bottoming candle. Like, it's a breakdown. It's a like you can see. There's a drop, there's a wick, small drop, wick, small drop, wick, and then this is an ultimate breakdown candle. Like they can be a low. All right, they can. Yeah, damn! I had my volume was up too high there. It bloody nearly sent me deaf. I forget what I was saying now. Yeah, so I would expect this low to be taken out at some point. That's my take on it. I would like to see it. It's not a guarantee, of course. There is no guarantees in the market, but I don't really like this candle to be a low. In the fact that it was kind of a breakdown candle, still a large wick taking liquidity up here. I personally would like to see some sort of a move at some point below there. If we go to a daily chart and just kind of have a look at it to see where that is, like, it's tough to say when that could be, but you can kind of see there. That means at some point. That means at some point. It doesn't mean, like, we could rally 200% up here first and then come down, but at some point I think there'll be a liquidity grab below this large candle. That's the way I would be looking at it. The other thing, as long as this is a red 6 months candle, there's not going to be any big move to the upside. And this candle here also doesn't look like it's going to pop up and have a big move to the upside either. It's more likely that we have a small 6 month candle, meaning the market's going to be very choppy until the end of the year. I know that sounds a bit crazy because there's 4 months left in it, but it's a real possibility. But these candles can set up larger moves to the upside then. So on a new yearly candle, on January, what could happen could be more something like this, right? I think that this is a more plausible sort of outcome. for any real move, and that could give us a dip below, right, somewhere down here. Maybe this does keep coming down. We need to see how the year closes out. But if I'm saying, if we form a small candle like this, then we can get some sort of reversal to the upside. At this point, this looks like it's potentially forming some sort of Doge, or maybe maybe it does drop on down. But if we do form that, I would like to trade a new yearly candle on stuff like this. If we look here, you can see the red, deep red yearly candle, kind of meaning that it's not going to flip green, obviously. That sometimes the upside is limited when you get this, and that's why there's a possibility that next year we get a green candle and we can get more upside. So for now, that the new yearly and all is obviously a long way, 4 months away, but that could mean that we might be forming a range here and then move back up on a new year, for example. It's a real possibility, but for now, that would be 4 of these candles. A new monthly candle is the most important thing to be watching right now. If we get a bullish stop on it, something like that, then we could get long on it and see where it can take us.